Hey all, I am Matt here, and if you see in my last video, you probably know what these boxes are. They are the Hornby Triang 70th anniversary 040 models. I specifically got the one called Polly because the name is funny. My mom got me two for Christmas, which at the end I'll explain why I bought two. So, yep, here's the box. I think I'm actually the first person to make a video on these because no one fucking wants these. So here's this one. Here's the certificate. It's 127 out of 750. Yep. Got just a pamphlet or whatever this hell's called, like for the motor and like stuff. You've already seen these before. On here in this bag, got a I don't know what's happening. I think it's supposed to be a brake pipe and some unpainted crew members, which since it's like an anniversary model, you might as well just paint the figures. Oh well. So I'm just gonna take this model out. And here it is. Honestly, I kind of like the colors. Like, I think all we needed was just some yellow stripes on the boiler. And if you don't know, this is a reused tooling of an 040 Thomas model. This is why it looks like Thomas. Gonna put you down here. Just get the other one unboxed. Move things out of the way. And this one is number 546 out of 750. And here is this model. So, I guess I'll start looking at this model in more detail. But yeah, cut the video. Woo. So here's the model. Yep, this is definitely a old tooling reuse being sold for 50 pounds. Since no one wants these models, Rails of Sheffield had them on discount for like, no, I'm just gonna move it here. I don't think the box is safe. Like 37 pounds, which maybe it's still not a good deal, but oh well. You can tell it's just a Thomas tooling, just red. I don't know. I actually do like the lining details and the nameplate. Would've been cool, just like it was like a physical nameplate, not like just a print on. But oh well. I'm bad at like reviewing model trains. The cab is open. Oh, you can see the motor. And it has like the old Hornby couplings, which all three of my Hornby rolling stock has. So it's not a problem for me, but probably a problem for like other people. Yeah. Honestly, I kind of like this model. Even though this model is objectively dog shit. So yeah. I guess next we'll see him run. Hooray. So, it's my first time running this engine. If he moves. Oh no. Oh shit. Don't. I'm gonna pause right now. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I think My problem is that this is a 40-year-old tooling. I think 40-year-old, old ass tooling. Mess around with a little bit, now it moves. So yeah, I'm just gonna run this bad boy in. Yeah. I finished running in this engine. Now I gotta do it again. Done. Run. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. But first, what am I gonna do with the second 040? I don't want to spoil a lot because I don't think I'm ready for it. But all I'm gonna say is that this is gonna be a really useful engine, you know.